A narrow dirt trail, damp with morning dew, transforms into a secret racetrack. Small headlights pierce through the thin fog, as if opening a path to a new adventure.
For miniature cars line up at the starting line made from branches and dry twigs. The forest wind whispers, the leaves sway, and in just 3 seconds, the tiny machines take off. Their little tires hit the gravel, splashing wet dirt, leaving thin tracks behind on the ground. This race is not just about speed, but also a battle against the obstacles of nature. Tree roots turn into ramps, puddles become traps, and the moonlight shining through the trees serves as a guiding light along the track. As thunder rumbles in the distant sky, the dirt track grows slicker. One car skids into the bushes, but the others push forward, overtaking with wild speed. The camera follows from a low angle, making every second feel like a full-scale, high-stakes race.